Welcome to the Slim Developer platform. We're going to take you through a demo on how to harden an NGINX container image. First, connect the Docker Hub registry to host your image. The optimized version that Slim generates will live in that repo. Now let's scan the image for vulnerabilities and review all the contents, including the most critical occurrences of vulnerabilities that compromise its security. We need to use the platform and the CLI to optimize the image and overall reduce the attack surface. We can use the default values to configure an instrumented version of this container. This means that it will contain Slim sensors that will collect data when we run it on our local machine. To test, open up a terminal window and pull down the instrumented image. To run the container, use a Docker run command that properly maps the ports and adds full privileges so Slim sensors have necessary permissions to make system calls. We can open up a separate tab to test the NGINX server. The HTML output verifies the container runs successfully. Now we're in the clear to stop the container. On the platform, the sensor data is collected and the hardening process begins. And these are our results. As you can see, there's a significant reduction in vulnerabilities, number of files, and image size. We can take a deeper look at the diff through the tabs on the left. You can even compare the image metadata diff and the Docker file changes that were made. Unused packages were removed and 75% of vulnerabilities were remediated. Comparing the public base image to the Slim version shows that you don't have to jumpstart projects with images that are unnecessarily large and contain security issues. Your hardened NGINX container is more lightweight, secure, and optimized. In the real world, it's always encouraged to do final testing so that your newly hardened image runs as expected before shipping. We wouldn't want anything to break in prod. That's our last step. Pull down the hardened image by targeting the correct version tag. When that's complete, we can quickly verify the Slim version has been successfully pulled using a Docker images grep command. Next, let's run the container and curl into the server so that we can verify that it's working. You've scanned your image, hardened the instrumented container, and now your NGINX image is ready to be used in production.